Hello everyone, Abdul Muqsid here with a tutorial on WordPress. Today we will discuss how you can build AI agent or scenarios in WordPress. What we will do is we will have a Excel sheet along with the numbers, the topics or the keywords and the status. This Excel sheet will then be transformed to make.com where it will write articles or blogs and automatically publish in client website. So let's start. The first step is to have an Excel file where you can save your topics and status. The status will be used to identify whether an article is already published or not. In this case, we have two statuses, published and planned. So if we run a scenario, it will run only on planned. Let's move towards make.com. For those who don't know, make.com is used for automation. We have similar tool like n8n and Zapier as well. We will start a node to fetch the data from Google. Click on plus and you will find Google Sheet. Let's click on search rows. You have to connect your Gmail account in order to fetch Google Sheet data. I already connected. Spreadsheet ID, for example, we have specs calendar. It will ask for sheet name. We have two sheets, first one and second one. So I will choose blogs. Does the table contain header? Yes, we have headers. These are headers. And we need to filter by status. Only show us those rows where the status is planned. So in this case, we have planned. Okay. Order by row number, which is the number, and ascending. Okay. Limit how many blog posts you want to write per iteration or per scenario execution. So in our case, I will click on 1. Right click and let's run this node whether we are getting the data or not. So we got serial number of 32, best accreditation consultancy in UAE. If we go to our Excel sheet, you will find that it is only fetching the data for the planned row. Okay, all good. Now the next step is to write article or blog post using AI. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, you can use Claude, you can use DeepSeek, whatever model suits you. I will use DeepSeek for this example. I will choose a model which is DeepSeek Chat. In AI, we have two roles, system prompt and user prompt. I will add a system prompt first. This is a system prompt. You can get easily from ChatGPT how to build a system prompt. And then I have the user prompt. I'll copy paste the user prompt. Okay. So it is writing a 12-word SEO optimized blog post on this topic. The focus keyword should be this, and these are the requirements. Below, it is asking for token, how many tokens you want to spend. You can specify 2000 or 4000, depends on your requirement. The format of the response should be JSON. So in future, we can transfer this data to multiple fields in WordPress. Click save. Let's run this scenario. So the blog post has been written. If you click on this node result, you will see that we have title and we have the blog post with p tags and h1 and all relevant tags. Now let's add a JSON parser. Parse JSON. What it does, it's usually converting your raw text to JSON. So I will pass result. Now it will give us the JSON. Let's run it again. Alright, so the JSON is already passed the text. What was the input? We had some raw input, and in output we got title and we got the blog post. Now the third step is to add WordPress. We need to publish it in the WordPress. Create a post. Now in order to establish connection between make.com and your WordPress, you have to install a plugin. It's called Make. You have to install the plugin, enable all these options, and it will give you an API key. Copy the API key and you have to add here. Okay, so here I will choose specs. because I have connected multiple websites. Now it is connected through the plugin to my make.com account. Now it is asking for various parameters. What is your title? So the title is title and the content is the blog post. Okay, type is post. Okay, and let's leave everything else as it is, and I will just choose a category as a blog and click on save. Now the last step is, how do we know that this article is published and make.com will not generate again an article on that? We need to update this row. I will add another node of Google Sheet, but this time not search row, it should be update row, and I will choose the spreadsheet. Sheet is blog, row number. Now make sure your row number is exactly the same row number which is fetched in first node. So it's 33. Table content header, yes, we don't want to update anything except the last status row to be published. Okay, and let's click on save. So our scenario is ready. Let's run it now. If I go to website and blogs, we have the last post which is navigating the path to higher education. Let's run this. It's running now. It's writing the article, then it will parse the JSON, publish in WordPress, and then Google Sheet, and this status will be converted to publish. Now to automate this process, you can also have an agent or scenario which will search for trending topic, and it will create an Excel sheet for you, and then another agent will work on that Excel sheet to generate the blog post. It can be automated. Okay, so it is published to WordPress and it has updated the row. If you go here, it's already published. Let's click on blog and I will refresh it. We don't have. Let's go to the back end. Okay, so I forgot to change the status to publish. I can publish it from here, and let's refresh. So we have a blog here, navigating excellent, why choosing the right accreditation partner matters. So we got a opening paragraph, we got heading, H1, H2, we got some sections, and at the end we might have some call to action, that why they should choose this institute. I forgot this point. In WordPress you have to change the status to publish. Okay, if you want someone else should review, you can keep it on pending or draft, otherwise it's supposed to be published, and click on save. Now if you want to automate this process a bit more, you want to publish the data in LinkedIn for example, or Instagram, you can just add a node here for LinkedIn, so it will create a post in LinkedIn on company page. If you want to publish it in Instagram, you can also add in Instagram. The beauty of these agents are it can run automatically, so I run it manually, but you can click here for scheduling, so you can schedule it every day, you can schedule it twice a week or once a month. All these options are available here. So if I click on every day, I can choose a time every day at the specific time this blog will be published. If I choose days of week, for example every Monday in the morning it's supposed to post, it will post, and you can choose by month and specified date as well. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thank you so much.